Properly installing LED lighting strips is essential for ensuring their longevity and performance. Start by choosing high-quality, UL-listed LED strips, as they are more durable and reliable. Make sure to use suitable adhesives and select strips that match the environmental conditions, like waterproof options for outdoor use. Ensure you have the correct power supply that matches the voltage requirements of your LED strips to avoid performance issues and potential hazards. Taking these preventive steps during installation can significantly extend the lifespan of your LED lighting and reduce the need for future maintenance. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your LED lighting strips in good condition. Clean the strips periodically, dusting indoor lights and removing debris from outdoor ones. Conduct visual inspections to identify dull or non-working lights, which may indicate power supply issues. Check connectors to ensure they are secure and undamaged. Examine power supplies for signs of overheating, frayed cords, or unusual sounds. Over time, you may need to replace parts of your LED lighting strips. Use high-quality replacement parts from trusted vendors to ensure reliability and safety. When considering repairs, evaluate whether upgrading to newer models might be more beneficial. Newer LED strips often come with advanced features like music synchronization, more color options, and voice control. Upgrading can enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your lighting setup. Proper planning for maintenance and potential upgrades ensures your LED lighting remains effective and up to date.